Hello, brother! Are you ready for a super fun game today? It's called Hide and Seek. I'm Jason, and I'll count while my brother Axel finds the perfect hiding spot. Let's begin.
Okay, I'm going to count now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excel, are you hiding well? 7, 8, 9. Almost there. And 10. Ready or not, here I come! Time to find Excel. Where could Excel be? Let's start our search in the kitchen. Is Excel hiding behind the big, colorful fridge? Or maybe inside a cupboard? I found you, Excel. What a clever spot. That was a great hiding spot. Now, where should we look next? I know. Let's check the bathroom. Maybe Excel is taking a bubble bath. Is Excel behind the shower curtain? Or maybe under the sink with the rubber duckies? There you are. What a clever hiding spot. Excel, you're so good at hiding. Excel, let's see where you'll hide next. Time to look in the bedroom. Is Excel sleeping under the covers? Under the bed. Or behind the big wardrobe where all the clothes are? Peekaboo. I found you again. Excel, you can't fool me. Another fantastic hiding spot. You're super, Excel. Excel. Next stop, the living room. Is Excel hiding behind the comfy sofa? Or maybe behind a big armchair? I need to look very carefully. Surprise! I found you. You can't hide from me for long. You're so good at finding the best spots. What a fun game. Let's check the hallway. Any secret spots here? Excel behind the coat rack. Or that tall, green plant with the big leaves. Gotcha. You're a super Excel. Excel! I almost missed you. You always find the best places. This game is so much fun. Last place to look. The dining room. Is Excel having a pretend snack under the dining table? Or behind the long, flowing curtains? Found you. What a fun game of hide and seek we've had today. You are the best Excel. Excel! And I'm a super Jason. That was so much fun. We explored the whole house together. Thank you for playing hide and seek with us. We hope you had a wonderful time. We love playing games with you. Let's play again very soon.